Hindi, mga pagsingit lang.
Southwards. So this is the fault which is called West Valley Fault by PHIVOLCS. If the fault moves, what happens is that the ground shakes. But as the ground shakes, any structure built on it would behave differently. Now, if the source of the earthquake is nearby, and nearby means from 0 to about 10 kilometers away from it, then the type of ground shaking is what we call a high frequency ground shaking, meaning the ground shakes very fast. You notice that during a high frequency earthquake, it's the small or the short buildings that are shaking the fastest. But notice that what is now affected, what now reacts as the ground shakes slowly, would now be the high-rise buildings. And the low-rise buildings would just sway together with the ground.